Hello guys, we welcome all of you in our YouTube channel Global Tech. Today we are going to create light-emitting diode flasher with the help of transistor. So let's start. First of all, we will place our required components on circuit diagram board containing transistors, BC547, light-emitting diodes, capacitors, and resistors. We will arrange these components on their positions so that we will easily join them with the help of wire to form a circuit diagram. You follow these steps as shown in video. Now we are going to join these components with the help of wire to form a working circuit diagram. We will attach ground and power in order to simulate the circuit diagram. Let's start simulation and see response of our circuit. It's working. We will change the values of resistors to 10 kilo ohm and values of capacitors to 500 microfarad to slow down the motion of light-emitting diodes. Now let's check response of circuit. In order to further slow down blinking time of light-emitting diodes, we will increase values of capacitors to 1000 microfarad. After that we will observe that blinking rate of light-emitting diodes has been increased. Thanks for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe our channel to get latest videos notifications.